Welcome to the Spam Cam.
Spam, I hate spam.
Well, yes, that is what most people think. But how many of you have actually tried spam? Most Americans have really never tried it. Except for Hawaii. Well, okay, you're right. But I'm gonna show you how to make some really good spam. And here's how I will show you. I will show you how to make Spachos. Yes, you heard me right. Spachos. Spam nachos. And here's all the ingredients that you'll be needing to make Spachos with. For the cheese, it'll be a taco style, which is just shredded cheese, which you can see right here. This is the cheese that you'll be needing to make it for. That aside. For next, I personally would like to use a few jabs of Frank's Red Hot Sauce, extra hot. But to be honest, I'm a weak guy of spiciness, but this is actually pretty good and it's not that spicy at all. And then to just top it off with a few chopped up jalapenos. Then of course, 1 can of spam. So, without further ado, almost forgot. Some just generic chip scoops, which I'll show you later on. Now, after further ado, I will show you how to make them. Alright, first things first, let's get the spam out of the can, which I have already opened it up. I like to just put it once on the wheel and it should just come nice and easy out. And as you see, this looks very appetizing. As it has lots of in it. It looks really gross, doesn't it? So what I do is just go along the lines where it can show right here. So I would just like to just cut them up, and just as simple as this, and then once I'm finished, I'm going to dice them. All right, so I'm gonna show you on how to dice them. I will only show you how to dice them on a few of them, not all of them, because that'll take forever. So we usually just get 2 of them, and we'll just give a nice cut here and there, just until they look like strips, and just do the same again but sideways. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's a bit sloppy, but you get the picture. Alright, now that the spam is all chopped up, we now move to the stove. Alright, now we're at the stove. Now we will now cook the spam. But first, it's always smart to put a little oil on the pan to make sure it won't stick and it will fry nice. Alright, then we just put on the spam and then start cooking. It's always a good reminder to wash your hands before you be cooking all this. But then again, you will be cooking all this, and any additional bacteria would go away because of the high heat. Alright, so once you have spam finally cooking, you should have it start at a high temperature, and then once it starts to get nice and brown, then move it down to about half degree. So this should take about roughly 30 minutes or less, depending on how well your stove is. But as it's cooking, it's always good to add a add a few dabs of Frank's Red Hot Sauce. So Frank's Red Hot Sauce may not be the most popular of sauces, but I do like it. So I'm just gonna give this a few dabs right there, and then you want to mix it up. That way the sauce will be nicely absorbed by the sauce. This will add a nice, colorful taste to it. Okay, about 15 minutes have passed, and your Spam should look like this. Nice little reddish, nice little brown around here. So once you're finished, you should put it on a table. No, you should drain it and then put it on a table, and then dab it some more. It's always important to drain it because we don't want this extra grease on here. Now we have drained our Spam. Now we're gonna dab it with a paper towel to make sure that all grease is off, because we don't want a heck of a lot of grease, because that's not healthy. So for a quick demonstration, I will only be using just a few chips and a few of Spam, but we clearly have enough Spam for a lot more chips, but I'll just show you just for a little bit. So what you want to do is just get a couple and just place them into the chips. Place the Spam into the chips, yes. And then just do it and just rinse and repeat until you have all of them filled. Once you have all the Spam onto the chip, it's now time to move to the cheese. So I would suggest to get about perhaps a cup's worth or 2 cups worth, but well, in full honesty, I'm just not going wrong with too much cheese and nachos. But that should be enough. But if you're an animal like me, you can just put more on if you desire any more. Now for the last part, all we need now is just a jalapeno, but you don't have to do this. But if you want a little more taste and a little more spiciness, then go ahead. So what we want to do is just cut it into pieces, and done. So what now we're going to do is just get a couple onto here, and well, you could leave all the seeds in. That's your choice. It may make it a lot more hot. But if you want it, then go ahead. So just put it over these on, and then after that's done, we will put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. That would let all the cheese to melt, and after that it'll be all ready to eat. And it's now out of the, what's it called? Fridge. No. Why fridge? Microwave. We took it out of the microwave, and it's now looking so good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, if any of you are watching, that is how you make Spachos, Spam nachos. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching my first official video. And I hope to bring any more content to this channel soon. Thank you, and have a great day.